was chosen by Global Nurses United as our Global Day of Action because today in New York City, the United Nations General Assembly will gather to discuss their Millennium Goals for 2015. And among these goals, as prioritised by the United Nations in their Millennium Resolutions, are aims to improve health for the most disenfranchised in our society through strengthened national health systems.
What do you want? Why do you want it? What do you want? Why do you want it?
We have returned to this spot today, not only with the strength of all of you here and the support you bring from the many nurses and midwives you represent at your branches, not only with the support of your local communities, thousands of whom have signed those petitions you brought here with you today, but we are here with the force of millions of nurses and midwives from around the world who are standing up to their local governments for these very issues on this very day.
It's important worldwide because patient safety is paramount to any nurse, and I'm delighted to be here to support Australian nurses.
We're campaigning across the world today on September 17 against austerity and for safe patient care, and for us that means ratios.
This means that governments everywhere must, as a priority, invest in the health of their country rather than eroding it through austerity measures and cuts at the expense of the bottom line and budgets. Yay! Those who have petitions, could you bring them forward?
Golden Combined Hospitals, 2,186. Delegate Broken Hill, 1,960.
Lismore Base, 2,500. Orange, 3,758.
Maitland Hospital, 3,001.
We are well on the way to reaching that 100,000 signature mark. Well done everyone, and well done to the people of New South Wales.
Australia is the first to kick this day off, and we thought we'd do it with a little bit of style. So this morning's event gathered in Mrs Macquarie's chair. We had a fantastic photo taken there with us all in our blues with the Opera House and the bridge in the background. And from here, this event will be heading down to Circular Quay, and we'll be doing it once again with panache on the Manly Ferry.
What do you want? What do you want it?
If this government thinks for 1 minute that we're going away with our tail between our legs, or we're going to stand idly by while they cut away at essential public services like health and continue to refuse to accept our ratio claim for safe care, then they can think again. Because not only will we not capitulate to their dictatorial tactics, but we will continue to be a thorn in their sides until we achieve ratios for every patient in every region in New South Wales.